Hi, this is Johan Alamgir. I'm a student in Fullsail University working on my bachelor's in recording arts, and this is my CSI Podcast. Today, I'm going to talk to you guys about a topic that affects our lives in ways that we don't even acknowledge how technology impacts the modern music scenario and make our lives easier and convenient. Now, let's go back to the history of the recording industry. Before, it was all about the acoustic mechanical recording era. It started in 1877 when Thomas Edison invented the phonograph. In 1935, magnetophone was originated in Germany and then was brought to the United States in 1946. By 1950, reel to reel tape was used as the standard recording device in the industry. It was considered as the standard machine until the mid 80s, when Les Paul first created the multi track recorder. But keep that in mind, all of these recording processes were analog. By the mid 1970s, studio with 24 track analog recording capability became the standard, and digital recording was on the horizon. Digital recording technology was first pioneered for commercial use by Tom Stockham, who demonstrated a digital recording system at the 1976 Audio Engineering Society conference. Digital recording devices often offer more than 24 tracks, depending on the recording system's hardware and software. Inside a piece of gear or computer, the signal is converted to binary computer data. Digital machine can record this information onto magnetic tape or to a hard drive. However, digital tape has become rarely used for recording audio since the cost per gigabyte of hard drive space has decreased to affordable levels. Now we have CD, DVD, Super Audio CD, and DVD audio format to capture our digital data. These formats also allow for multiple versions of the recording to be played in surround. Softwares like Pro Tools, Logic, GarageBand, Cubase, Sonar helps musicians to create, record, edit, mix, and produce music. Pro Tools was invented by a company called digidesign in 1989. It's a digital audio workstation software which has its own hardware that works as an I/O. Before, everybody had to play together live to record in one track, and if any mistakes were made, everything had to be started over. But now, because of the softwares like Pro Tools, Logic, we get to record in unlimited tracks, and the musicians can record and edit their music individually in single tracks and just the way they like it. Our softwares gives us real-time audio suite and VST plugins to create and mix the music. Using the right plugins can really make our recording project stand out. The most recent invention is the MIDI, Musical Instrument Digital Interface, which is a machine language that allows for electronic instruments like synthesizers to communicate and be controlled by sequencers. There is no audio carried in MIDI information, only event data that signifies what should be played and when. With all being discussed, in conclusion, all I can say is that the advancement of technology has given us great many helpful softwares, hardwares, and computer devices that has evolved and changed the music industry.